Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare coinage for cash salary preparation. In this tutorial, I'm using int function and some product function. Int functions return the integer part of a decimal number by rounding down to the integer. Some product function multiplies corresponding components in the given arrays and the sum of those products. Okay, let's start applying formulas. We'll start with int function is equal to int. Then I'll select this column and B3 and close the bracket. So when we put the number 123.34, it will round down the nearest figure. So it will become 123. So when we divide this with 1000, we will get how many thousands are there in the figure. So enter. There is no 1000 because it's not a 1000 figure. So I will remove this. So see, there is 12 thousands are there in this figure. So 200, 1000 inside. So I'll freeze this cells. Freeze those cells. So 1300. So that is also 1000 only. 3 will apply 3000. So 3000s are there. So now we will apply some product into this figure. There are two 500s and so now it is correct. So we'll apply, we'll find out how many 500s are there when we put 1500. So we need to get 1000 here and balance 500. That means only 500 left in this column. So we'll apply some product into this. So some product. Sorry, we need to apply in this cell minus some product. The first array will be array 1. Array 1 means the 1000 figure. So I'll just freeze this cell and this comma. Also second array will be array 2 will be this. So I'll freeze this. So I'll leave this because this we need to move it here. I'll close the int formula. So basically this minus this and it will divide this. See, in this 1500 we have 1000 and 1500. So total 1500. So less that is because there is already 3 found from this and there is no 500. Everywhere. So 2600. That is 2000s and 1500 and 100. Let's put 150. Let's become 50. Hope you all understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.